You're gonna have to replace the 996's battery soon.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Alberta at 7:16 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Friday, June 12, 2020. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for the city of Calgary, Foothills
I'm under
County, near Okotoks and DeWinton, and Foothills County, near High River and Alderside. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Foothills County, near Critis and Brown Lowry Provincial Park, and Foothills County, near Turner Valley and Black Diamond. A severe thunderstorm warning is ended for Kananaskis Improvement District near Kananaskis, Improvement District near Cataract Creek and Foothills County near Longview and Eden Valley Reserve. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Foothills
See, I have to
County
replace
near
batteries.
Cayley. Environment Canada has updated a